Today we're making a creamy roasted cauliflower soup that's rich, comforting and packed with flavor. This easy homemade soup recipe is perfect for light dinners or when you want a healthy vegetable-based meal that still feels indulgent. If you love smooth, creamy soups and simple one-pan recipes, this cauliflower soup is a must-try. Start with one whole cauliflower and separate it into florets. Peel 2 potatoes and cut them into cubes. Peel 8 garlic cloves to add deep roasted flavor. Spread the cauliflower, potatoes and garlic evenly on a baking tray and roast them in the oven until they are tender and slightly browned. Roasting brings out their natural sweetness and gives the soup a rich, nutty taste. Once roasted, transfer everything into a blender or place them in a pot if you're using an immersion blender. Add 1 cup of soup stock. You can use vegetable stock or chicken stock depending on your preference. Blend until the mixture becomes smooth and creamy. Pour the blended soup into a pan and add 1 tablespoon of butter or ghee. Keep the flame on low and season with 1 teaspoon of black pepper and half a teaspoon of salt. Stir in around 5 tablespoons of cream. Let it cook gently for about 5 minutes so all the flavors combine. Serve the hot cauliflower soup in a bowl and finish with your favorite garnish or sauce. A drizzle of chili oil adds a beautiful kick and extra depth of flavor. And there you have it, a warm, creamy, roasted cauliflower soup that's simple, comforting and full of flavor. If you enjoyed this easy soup recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more homemade comfort food and let me know your favorite soup in the comments.